We interrupt this program to bring you some important information.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Benewah County in the Panhandle of Idaho, southeastern Kootenai County in the Panhandle of Idaho, until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:51 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of St. Mary's, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Mary's, Harrison, Park Line, Amita, St. Joe, and Shack-Fil-A.
This concludes operations under the Inland Northwest Emergency Alert System. We'll return now to All Things Considered.